Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for those who are new, you're welcome, and please hit that red subscribe button to join the family so that whenever I upload a video you get notified. So in this video I'm doing a wig, and the wig is a cornrow wig. But the cornrow wig I'm not going to use any closure or frontal. I'm just going to use a Swiss and the cornrows. So with the cornrows, I did the cornrows separately. They are pre-done. So what I'm doing with the lace, with the Swiss lace, is just stitching the cornrows on it. So please guys, stay tuned to see the outcome, and I hope you will enjoy and learn something. By the way, guys, I got feedback from some of you guys that you're not getting the notification when I upload a video. The reason why you're not getting the notification, it's because your bell is not on. There is a notification bell. After you have hit the subscribe button, there is a bell that will show there. You need to put the bell on. You put it on so that when I upload a video, you get notified. The bell must be on for the for you to get the notification. So you saw the thread that I'm using. So this type of thread, it's a bit thin, so that when you are stitching the cornrows, they don't show up. So what I do when I'm starting the edges, the cornrow edge at the edges, I use a strand. The thread, I use a strand of thread when I'm starting the edge. But when we are going towards the middle part, now you can use the double thread to make the cornrow a bit firm. But of course, this type of thread that I'm using, it's very strong. So even if you use a strand of the thread when you're stitching, it will still hold the cornrow firm, and it is just okay. But myself, I prefer like starting the edges with a single thread, and then when I go like halfway, I start using the double thread. So yeah.